I wanted to show you something really quick. Check out this plug here. This is for an air conditioner. And I'm just in the process of replacing the air conditioner. I still have to finish it and everything, but I was looking at this outlet here. And it's loose. Look at that. See that? And there's a box in there. There's a cut-in box. Because I know there used to be only one plug. See this here? They installed a 4-hour timer. They came out of this, drilled a hole through the stud, put a cut-in box here, took that existing box out, put a cut-in box there, fished the wire through here, put that back, hooked this up. So now when you turn on this air conditioner unit, the power goes to here. Then when you turn the timer, then that throws power over to this, and the air conditioner gets plugged into that with its cord. Okay? But I've noticed that the cut-in box is loose. Now how am I going to fix that?